Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can update your themes and icons on the Perplexity app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to click on this app here. And after clicking on the app, what we need to do, simply we have to click on this profile icon. So let's click on this profile icon. And then simply we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the second option, themes, apps and icons. So let's click on this. And as you can see, the themes are provided here like the light and the dark. These are also provided here, the system as well. So I'm going to choose the light here. And after that, you have to choose the app icon. If you want to choose this one, you can also do that. Whatever you want, you can also do that. So after once you are done, so now as you can see that everything is done, you just have to go to back. And after that, I'm going to close this here. So let's see. As you can see now, the color of the app is changed here. So in this way, you can change the app icon color and the themes on the Perplexity app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.